Hi, my name is Ria Shroff. I am the production designer and technical editor of this film, and today I am doing a day in the life of a sound mixer and sound recordist, Simone. Okay, so we're going to be working on Pro Tools. What's Pro Tools? Jokes! We're going to be working on Pro Tools, so are you happy to show us the basics of sound editing on there?
Yes, I can show you everything.
Okay. Can you maybe show us some basics, like a quick crossfade or something?
Yeah. For like crossfade, or you can do. You can take some back from one clip and make one longer, so you sort of cut them and take them apart, and then you do like fade in and a fade out.
So for our final film, what sort of vibe are you trying to look to get from Final Mix for Nomad?
Oh, because they're in an environment where they have never been before. It's empty. It's basically unexplored. I'm gonna try and create like an isolating feeling.
Okay, so Simone had collected the equipment we're going to be using on shoot, so I'm clueless about all of this. Can you run through?
Okay, this is the gun mic. This is the boom pole. Stick it onto there so that then can point it. So this is the receiver, goes into the mixer. When all the microphones are in here, I will be able to control the volume for the different tracks on here.
Learned a lot in about 5 minutes.
There you go.